morning everyone. As we have discussed diazotization reaction, today we will discuss Sandmeyer reaction, that is application part of diazotization reaction. First we discuss main points of the reaction. As in the continuity process, this is our 7th name reaction. In main points, first which I have included, this is the reaction of diazonium salt. I can write here BDS, benzene diazonium salt, with CuCl and HCl. That means reaction will take place in presence of cuprous chloride and hydrochloric acid. Second point, reaction temperature include 50 to 100 degrees Celsius. Heating must be needed during the reaction progress. Third, formation of chlorobenzene as desired product with evolution of nitrogen gas. In reaction mechanism, we will see how nitrogen is evolved. Fourth, which is the most important point, you can put asterisks on this point. Reaction mechanism include free radical, aromatic, nucleophilic substitution reaction. We will discuss each and every step for this mechanism. Free radical, how it is free radical, and how it is nucleophilic substitution reaction. You can take screenshot for the main points of the reaction. After that we come to reaction and then move to reaction mechanism. First we see reaction. What is Sandmeyer reaction? Here I am starting this reaction with aniline in presence of sodium nitrite and HCl. It will generate HNO2, generation of benzene diazonium salt. This is your BDS. Up to here, this is diazotization reaction. And how diazonium salt take formed during the reaction progress, we have discussed in our last video. Here temperature must be 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, and this product of diazotization reaction works as a reactant molecule for Sandmeyer reaction in presence of cuprous chloride and HCl. 50 to 100 degrees Celsius aqueous solution we will make for the homogenization of the system, and 35 to 40% aqueous solution is used during the reaction progress. Formation of chlorobenzene as a major product with evolution of nitrogen gas. You can say this reaction becomes our Sandmeyer reaction. Sandmeyer reaction. Now it's time to realize the mechanism of the reaction. We have to understand reaction mechanism in step by step manner. First, reaction mechanism step. Reaction of diazonium salt triple bond NCl negative with cuprous chloride. Here you can see Cl is minus 1 oxidation state. That's why copper in plus 1 oxidation state automatically. This will gives electron density and formation of this type of molecule N positive triple bond N plus Cu, Cl and Cl. This you can write with me. Reaction mechanism. Cu, Cl and Cl. Formation of cupric chloride. That means in very first step of Sandweier reaction of benzene diazonium salt with cuprous chloride. Cuprous chloride will convert into cupric chloride. At this Cl is minus 1 oxidation state and this copper automatically comes to plus 2 oxidation state. Okay. Now in second step of the reaction we will consider how it is a free radical reaction. This is CuCl2 and bond is homolytically cleavage. Homolytic cleavage of bond. How it is formed? This will become CuCl free radical plus chlorine free radical. Homolytically bond cleavage will be formed and formation of CuCl free radical and chlorine free radical will generate in the solution. Now this CuCl free radical will combine with diazonium salt. This is N positive triple bond N plus this CuCl free radical. This is very interesting step and you have to concern about this step. This is your benzene diazonium salt and this is CuCl free radical. In organic reaction I am telling you, you have to check the nucleophilicity and electrophilicity of the molecule. That means you have to concern about the electrophilic and nucleophilic side for the particular molecule. Here this is CuCl, this is free radical and this is positive charge on the nitrogen atom and this nitrogen atom has automatically completed its valency. Also again here homolytic bond cleavage will take place. This radical formation, this generate phenyl free radical. Phenyl free radical. As this electron will goes to this electrophilic center, this one, and one electron from this bond, 2 electron comes to this nitrogen atom and generation of nitrogen as your side product. Now we are reaching to our last step of the reaction. This is our phenyl radical and in second step we have generated Cl radical. In this way formation of chlorobenzene. With evolution of nitrogen gas. Thus you can see from the reaction mechanism, this is your free radical reaction mechanism and this is for aromatic compounds. Free radical nucleophilic substitution reaction. Free radical and this will works as a nucleophile during the reaction progress. Substitution, that means this N positive triple bond N is substituted by the chlorine free radical. In this way we can understood the reaction mechanism of Sandweier reaction. Also for you are getting more and more videos about this reaction for practicing and for conversion of the reaction mechanism. Okay, thank you.